Husky's food. Thanks for the like. You're gonna get told off, mate. I've got another husky over here. This husky will tell the fox off. And this husky is not too bothered. Husky's woken up. I think he wants to go to the toilet, so I'm going to help him. Hey, big boy. Hey, baby. Woken up. I think he wants to go to the toilet, so I'm going to help him. Hey, big boy. Hey, baby. Thanks for the likes. So I always feed my huskies between 10 and 11. And this fox has learned that and starts to come here every night. When I'm outside, it doesn't try and steal her food, but when I'm inside, it does. And the fox knows something. You can see it's just waiting. fox coming, so we get two foxes. He's just waiting. As soon as Yuki moves, he'll pick up what's there. So the reason I don't scare the fox away, firstly, I'm not cruel to animals. Secondly, Yuki, she's diabetic and she's blind and she's 14.5 years old. So she gets spooked and agitated and can be stressed if I start shushing her away, thinking I'm shushing her away. So to control the levels, I can't stress her out. And she never seems too bothered by the fox. So we let nature do its thing. The fox will never attack her. He's learned how to get her food though. However, Tyson, he will tell the fox off. Tyson's the same age as Yuki, but you can see he's got a scarf around his back just because his back legs have gone. Hey, and the fox has learned that you're fragile, so he keeps coming back. Wait, you right? Hey baby, you don't want any more? Hey baby boy. Do you want me to take it away? Shall I move it? I'll give you a couple bits. No? I'll move it then. I'll give you a couple bits, because Foxy will keep coming. Hey. No, this is the second one. But the second fox, it's more scared of me. So when I'm in the garden, it runs away, it might sneak out one of these holes. Because it's more confident in taking Yuki's food. Oh man, it's cold though. Hey Tay, I'm gonna just quickly put his food inside so I've got a spare. I'm not very good at pinching to get better light. Yuki's a slow eater, Foxy. Hey. switch connection. I'm going to go up to the Foxy. Let's go. I'm going to switch connection. I'm going to go up to the Foxy. Let's go. Iggy. Iggy. It's okay, baby girl. She's got a bit of a cough tonight. It's okay, baby girl. She's got a bit of a cough tonight. I'm good, mate. That's my Husky. I've got another Husky over there. Hi, Molly. Yeah, so it's just because they're really old now. They're 14 and a half, so this one's blind, so she can't actually see the fox, but she knows it's there. Tyson, his back legs have started to go, so he needs assistance, not all the time, but every now and again. And for about a month now, the foxes have been coming because they store their food and basically stealing their food in the night time. And I've had to start feeding them just to distract them from stealing from the Huskies. So with Yuki, she's diabetic. She has to have the same food every want him to get agitated because he tells the fox off. I don't want him to hurt himself. So, but obviously it's not always the best thing to feed foxes. For a number of reasons. We started with one fox about 5 days ago. We started feeding the foxes. Started with one fox and now we've got 2. And I know they've got a litter somewhere because you can hear them. And obviously for foxes themselves, they'll start believing that this is the source of food all the time, which obviously in the long run it can't be because I'm always going to be here. Thank you for the gift, Smiler. No, exactly. So, with the foxes constantly watching what I do with the Huskies, especially with Tyson, because where he needs assistance, sometimes I have to go and help him and hold his back up. So you can just see the fox studying us. But it always makes an opportune moment to go for the food. So we gave it quite a bit, and as you can see, the fox has left some behind now. Normally we gave it quite a bit, and as you can see, the fox has left some behind now. Normally why so it eats for herself, and then it'll grab some food and take it to the litter, and then it'll keep coming back and doing the same process now. And the fox will keep scouting the area until about 3-4 in the morning. The reason is with Yuki, again we have to maintain her food, so she normally stores her food. If the fox steals a bit of chicken, I need to give her an extra bit of chicken. But where I'm not aggressive to the fox and haven't shown any reason for it to be scared of me, it's very confident about me in the garden. And it's not afraid to come right up to me. And we have it, which just weakens up. So all her sugars are just not being used in the right way. As a result, she's become very fragile with most of her body, but her eyesight's just gone completely. But she's passed. So most diabetic dogs only live for 2 years. She's lived for 3.5 with diabetes. So she's now done what she's supposed to do. Do you want water, baby girl? Do you want water? Good girl. There you go. So I had this one from the puppy. Called it Yuki. So Yuki translates in Japanese as snowy and also as lucky. And the reason it's kind of fitting considering what she's enjoyed and overcome since. She's got a bit of a cough tonight though. You can hear that where she's at. Right, Papa? There we go. You went down the wrong hole. Yeah. Okay, baby. Thank you. We've been lucky for each other, I guess. Have you got any pets yourself? So, I've always been an animal person. For me, they're, I guess, well, natural. You alright, baby? Shall I come pat you? I'll move that away. Yeah, she's had this for about 20 minutes. So you got 3 dogs. What breeds do you have? And a nightmare, I'm guessing, just because of their age. I'm going to apologise in advance, anyone that, and Molly as well, and anyone else. I've only got a few % battery, so if I cut out, that's the reason why. Foxy is back. Say hello to Foxy, there's 2 of them now. So, that's the mum fox. The dad fox always gets spooked, but there's the mummy fox. American Bulldog, XL Bully, and a Poodle. What a combination, eh? Is it because they're stubborn? Certain breeds are stubborn, and I've heard both of those can be. Are they male, female? You're getting your food in, mate. You alright, baby girl? You still going? Foxy. That's all you're getting tonight, eh? It is. He won't stop till he gets what he wants. Persistent, determined, they're all good qualities. Are they all young? What kind of age range are they? So there was a stage I had 5 dogs. I had an Alsatian, a Retriever, and the 3 Huskies. I had the mum for Tyson and Yuki, and they came from the same litter. He sits by there when I'm waiting for these treats cooking. He's got a good nose. What dog doesn't like their treats? And to be honest, that's quite smart thinking. Go to where the food is. By the air fryer. You're 3 and the poodle is 9. Oh, bless. By the air fryer. You're 3 and the poodle is 9.